This is a rule file for InstallShield. It defines logic for an installer. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's check the script. Keep your expectations high for the final step. We will introduce you to the single utility that makes troubleshooting the RUL format and dozens of others obsolete. An RUL file is associated with InstallShield, a software installation development tool. It contains rules and scripts that define the installation process, including file placement, registry modifications, and custom actions. These files guide the installer in properly setting up the software on the user's system, ensuring a smooth and error-free installation. RUL files are written in a scripting language specific to InstallShield. They follow a structured syntax that defines the sequence of installation steps. These files can include conditional statements, loops, and function calls to handle complex installation scenarios. Careful design is crucial for reliable software deployment. The RUL format was designed to be handled by InstallShield from Flexera software. Windows prevents native execution, requiring elevation or a digitally signed application. Windows may open these files in a text or config editor, but modifications should be made only when their impact is clear. Go to the file and right-click your RUL file, then click Open With. Prioritize InstallShield if you see it. If not, select any program on the list. A little trial and error is expected here. If your RUL file still refuses to open, stay calm. The error is a consequence of the RUL format's specific requirements. Here is a breakdown of the technical reasons your application is failing to recognize it. First, use Original Application. Open the file using InstallShield software or Altium Designer if a Gerber format file, ensuring the application is installed. Next, check version compatibility. Verify that the application version is compatible with the version that created the RUL file. This is the most common issue. Finally, use text editor registry check. Open the file with Notepad to check for readable content. If errors persist, check for incorrect Windows registry references for RUL, advanced step. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. FileMagick is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.